You move here, I move there, like a clock.
BEAM est un projet financé par le programme européen Erasmus et coordonné par la ville de Billère. Il a démarré en 2016, il va durer 2 ans. La première visite d'études était à Silvi en Italie, la deuxième à Gulbene en Lettonie, et là nous sommes à Saillant. Le but de ce projet Erasmus est de partager les bonnes pratiques en matière de participation citoyenne. Les participants présentent des projets qu'ils ont dans leur pays et c'est des projets qui innovent en matière de démocratie. Donc l'idée c'est d'échanger les difficultés et les réussites qu'ils rencontrent pour les mettre en œuvre.
The whole concept is to to dedicate a small amount of money coming from the city budget for citizens' initiative.
The target is some students, some pupils of the high school and some teachers too, and they have to experiment theatre as a new way to enhance their skills and to increase the communication between them, between students, between teachers, and between students and teachers.
It's called Let's Do It Greece, and in one day we must all the citizens of Greece, not only in our municipality, to try to clean all the beach shores and the schools and the streets.
Big circle or half a circle? No, big circle. Ouais. And full circle. Each person had 2 papers, 2 post-it about 2 questions you have and you want to share or to work during this week. One thing we try to make in Saillant is to involve the person in the municipality. And it's very difficult to involve a teenager and old person. So how to involve them and do we have to involve them, for example?
The first level of participation for me is information. And my question is how is possible to spread information above all?
It should be very interesting and useful to spend some time for knowing reality and needs in a determined society, just to know what is the situation, and after that to spread the information.
My question would be how to translate needs of the citizens into practice, which as a result should prevent disappointments, and when citizens are involved they can also feel that they are empowered, so how to grant citizens effort and involvement with visible results.
A collective map, a collective scheme.
Documentation to write here?
Put the information exchange here because this
newest information about the municipality.
Yes, the newest information
because
about
the
newest information.
Here, as I see, information is very top-down. It's like the municipality should give the information to all the inhabitants. But maybe we have to think that the inhabitants can also be linked with other inhabitants, and we can ask inhabitants to give the information to the other one.
Les affiches, tout ça, c'est géré par ce GAP, ce Groupe Action Projet. La commune a juste aidé à acheter des planches de bois. C'est des habitants qui, une fois par mois, viennent et qui s'en occupent.
La particularité de Saillant, c'est d'expérimenter et de mettre en place un système de gouvernance collégiale et participatif. Collégial parce que les élus fonctionnent par binôme et qui s'appuient sur les décisions des habitants tout au long du processus de décision. Et participatif parce que les habitants sont fortement associés à l'échelle des projets, notamment par le biais des commissions.
What it's remain now for me, it's very interesting example of municipality of Saillant, who is try to do something new in participation of citizens of the decision process and in all the democratic life of community.
Now we are doing the difficult part.
C'est ça, regardez, Annie est la suite. Regardez Annie. La dernière visite d'études aura lieu à Timișoara en Roumanie. Et à la fin de ce séminaire, l'idée c'est que les participants produisent un recueil d'outils et de bonnes pratiques, de les partager au sein de leur structure et de les disséminer à l'échelle européenne.
See, the next part is the first part. Translate the first part. Come is the first part. Come on. And we are going to do